Just 10 pounds of lithium can move a car for hundreds of miles without a single drop of fuel. But how does a simple white substance power the modern world? From ancient salt deserts to high-tech battery factories, lithium goes through an incredible journey before it reaches your phone or electric vehicle. Its power doesn't come from appearance, but from the invisible movement of ions inside a battery. Today we'll uncover how lithium is extracted, refined, and transformed into one of the most important energy sources of our time. By the end, you'll see why this small element is shaping the future of global energy. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. Lithium is not the rarest element, but it is one of the most energy-dense materials per unit mass. Over the past decade, demand has skyrocketed as electric vehicles begin replacing traditional engines. A single EV requires around 10 to 20 pounds of lithium, and producing millions of vehicles each year demands a massive global supply chain. Interestingly, most lithium doesn't come from traditional mines. Instead, it is sourced from underground brine or hard rock deposits. While Australia leads in mining, China dominates refining, controlling over 60% of global capacity. This makes lithium not just an industrial material, but a strategic resource influencing technology, economy, and geopolitics worldwide. Lithium exists in two main forms: hard rock ores and underground brine. In hard rock mining, large open-pit operations remove layers of soil and rock to access spodumene deposits. Explosives break the rock, and heavy machinery transports it for crushing and grinding. However, this method is energy-intensive. In contrast, brine extraction occurs in vast salt flats like those in South America. Here, lithium-rich water is pumped from deep underground and spread across large evaporation ponds. Over months, sunlight gradually evaporates the water, increasing lithium concentration. This slow but efficient process separates lithium naturally, making brine extraction one of the most widely used methods today. After extraction, lithium is still mixed with impurities and must be refined. In brine processing, chemicals like lime are added to remove unwanted elements such as magnesium. Then, sodium carbonate triggers a reaction that forms solid lithium carbonate crystals. These are filtered, washed, and dried to achieve over 99% purity. Some of this is further converted into lithium hydroxide, which is better suited for high-performance batteries. The refined lithium is packaged and shipped to manufacturing plants. Before mass production, it undergoes laboratory testing in ultra-dry environments. This stage ensures the material meets strict quality standards required for reliable battery performance. Inside a lithium-ion battery, energy comes from the movement of lithium ions between two electrodes, the anode and cathode. When the battery powers a device or vehicle, lithium ions travel through an electrolyte from the anode to the cathode. At the same time, electrons flow through an external circuit, generating usable energy. During charging, this process reverses, storing energy back in the battery. The electrodes are made using advanced materials like NMC or LFP for the cathode and graphite or silicon for the anode. This continuous ion movement happens thousands of times, making lithium batteries highly efficient, rechargeable, and essential for modern technology. From the birth of the universe to powering modern electric vehicles, lithium has become one of the most important elements of our time. Its journey from raw extraction to advanced battery systems shows how science and industry work together to shape the future. As demand continues to grow, lithium will play an even bigger role in global energy transformation. But here's a question for you. Do you think lithium can truly replace all traditional fuel sources in the future?